In this video, I will show you how to download and install Python. If you are watching this for the first time, don't worry. Everything is very simple and beginner friendly. Just stay with me and follow the steps slowly. Let's get started now. First, we need to download Python from official website. Downloading from the official website is very important because it keeps your computer safe and secure. Always avoid random websites when installing any of the software. Now let's download Python. On your browser, go to Google and type Python download. Click on the first link, which is official website python.org. Once the website opens, you will see a big button that says Download Python with a version number. Click on this button. Your download will start. Depending on your internet speed, it may take a few seconds or a bit longer. Just wait until the downloading finishes. Do not close the browser or stop the download in between. Once the download is completed, go to your downloads folder. Look for a file named something like python 3.x.x.exe or any of the exe file according to your version. We will get that there. Now double click on the installer to open that file. Once the installer opens, you will see two important options. Step 1. Tick Add Python to Path. At the bottom left corner, tick the checkbox that says Add Python to Path. This is extremely important. If you forgot this, Python will not run in your terminal later. Step 2. Click Install Now. After ticking the box, click the big button Install Now. The installation will begin. You will see a loading bar. Just wait patiently and let it finish completely. It may take 1 or 2 minutes depending on your system. Once the installation is done, click Close. Now let's check if Python has installed correctly. Open command prompt and type python -- version and press enter. If everything is correct, you should see something like Python then 3.x.x. This means Python is successfully completed. Means it is showing the whatever version it is installed and the path is working properly. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Python. This is your first real step into the world of programming. In the next video, we will see what is IDE and installation of IDE. Make sure to subscribe and follow along. Thank you.